Hey folks, it's Casey Dimon here, TaxSaleAcademy.com. Today we're talking about an investment strategy that I've been using for close to 15 years now. The strategy is simple: cherry picking only the most profitable tax sale properties. Each year there are millions of properties that are auctioned off through the tax sale system. Now, some of these properties are going to be bad deals, some are going to be average deals, some are going to be good deals, and then you'll have the other ones. You'll have the ones that are just incredible or amazing deals. Now, obviously, everybody wants to maximize their returns. In order to grow in this business and to create the wealth that most investors desire, you have to learn how to maximize your returns. The best way to do this through tax sale investing is by cherry picking only the best or only the most profitable properties that you'll invest in. Over time, I have become an expert at doing this exact thing. I'll see many investors buy 5 properties where the total combined profit won't begin to even touch the amount of profit that I'll make from just one cherry-picked property. In my eyes, the definition of cherry-picking a tax sale property is the art of purchasing a tax sale property that has substantial upside with little or no other bids for whatever reason. It's going to be your home run deals, a slam dunk, a whopper, an incredible deal. Whatever you want to call it, it's an amazing or a very, very profitable deal. Now, in order to cherry pick the best properties, 2 things will be required of you: exposure and patience. Let's talk about exposure first and what exactly I mean by this. You must understand something right off the bat. There is a limited amount of properties that each county will auction off. It could be no properties in some small counties, or it could be tens of thousands of properties in other counties. Regardless, it is absolutely going to be limited by the county and the amount of properties with delinquent taxes that are taken to the point of selling them at auction. Now, if you only invest in one county that has, say, 50 properties, in this case, you have 50 different chances of locating and purchasing a property that has that amazing return on it. Now, what if you invest in 50 counties that each auction off 50 different properties? You suddenly have a 1 in 2,500 chance of locating and purchasing a property with an amazing return, or cherry picking a property. In most cases, you'll be able to pick up multiple properties in that scenario when you have that large of a selection. In order to get the best returns, you just can't handicap yourself by only investing at 1 or 2 auctions every year. Now, the second requirement: patience. I'll admit it, I can be an impatient person. I like to make money quickly. But patience is an absolute necessity when it comes to purchasing the very best tax sale properties. You can very easily back yourself into a corner when you force yourself to buy something just because you happen to be attending an auction. You know, I've been to many auctions where I haven't purchased a single piece of property, and that's okay. This is because I'm patient when it comes to cherry picking the best properties and knowing what to look for. There's going to be times where you will only want the very, very best deal, and you won't get it for a number of auctions. Just be patient, let the process work. It does and can take time. Now, obviously, if you've attended a number of auctions and you've just never found a single property or a good deal, you could be doing something wrong, or you might have your expectations too high, and that is something to address at that time. But be patient. This is not a one-hit wonder, get-rich-quick business, but something you can use to build sustainable wealth over time by investing in the most profitable properties on a regular basis. I really hope you've enjoyed this video on cherry picking tax sale properties. It's an incredibly valuable investment strategy that has served me well for many, many years now. To learn other strategies on tax sale investing and how exactly to cherry pick the best properties, head on over to TaxSaleAcademy.com. Again, that's TaxSaleAcademy.com. Have a great day, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.